Christina from DIY Backyard Planning. Today I'm going to walk you through our most popular plan set, our double door TV cabinet. We've installed hooks so the doors don't fly away. This is a 55-inch TV. It's actually an indoor rated TV. You don't need an outdoor expensive TV when you have an enclosure. There's many weatherproofing design aspects built in. We've had this here for 7 years and haven't had any issues. We've installed a sound bar. It's nice to amplify the volume throughout the backyard. We've installed it on leg posts, which we actually offer leg post plans as well. It's just such a rewarding project to do it yourself and to have a TV in your backyard for entertaining. You need minimal woodworking skills. It's a very inexpensive project. You can actually complete the project in a day. So I hope you found this helpful. We enjoy having a TV cabinet in our backyard, and I hope you do too. Happy building.